RT to line up. Ooh, that thing popping, boy. I know they mad about that one. What's good with y'all, boy, man? It's your boy Zero back again with another video. And as y'all can see by the time of the thumbnail, y'all already know what this video is, man. Long awaited video that I've been talking about for a little minute. So make sure everything recording right, because I had to do this intro twice just because the simple fact my mic was not on. So we about to I ain't even tell y'all what it is. So we got long two headers, y'all boys. I did it myself on jack stands. A lot of people say don't do it on jack stands, don't do it. I wouldn't do it myself. I would pay somebody else to do it. I would get a lift. I didn't do that, bro. You know what I'm saying? I took it on like a man, and I went up under my car, unbolted them headers, unbolted everything, put the headers in, you know what I'm saying? I did some modifications to the factory H-pipe, and I just connected it to that, and I had to cut it a little bit. But other than that, everything on. Besides some of the bolts on the header being unloosened, because I've heard that they expand when they're hot or when they're heated for the first time. So I tightened most of them back, but I think it might be one or two that's not tightened, causing the exhaust leak. So I'm gonna definitely get that fixed. But let me make sure we all good though. I know what y'all want to hear. I know what y'all want to see. I'm gonna give y'all some. Dang, I just went through a bump. I'm gonna give y'all some flybys and all that. Y'all know the location we always go to, so we're gonna head there. We're gonna head there now, and we're gonna get some flybys. It's way louder. It pops a lot. It sound way better. It sound way better. I couldn't get y'all the footage of me, you know, riding it for the first time. There was a lot of problems I had to fix, so I fixed them now though. And I didn't record it because, listen to that. Listen to that. I didn't record it because I'm just like, y'all gonna be bored. Y'all can't even see. Oh my, the pops just be crazy now. The pops be so crazy. It even pop when I take off. Like, if I take off slow in this shift, it pop. I hear it. Come on now, lady or man, get off the street. It sound way deeper in these Ross Axlebacks. I thought people was like, they're gonna be like raspy, but they're not. They're not raspy. It's a lot of air. It's kind of windy today, so I'm gonna just have this side down. It ain't really that cold. It's like 60, so it feel like if you had the AC on. You make sure we still recording though. Okay. Okay, we still good. It's a little bump right here. I ain't. Alright. Y'all know the spot, man. I'm gonna set y'all up. Give y'all a little flyby. Can't do too much right here because the police be on this road. Got a little leak here and there, but I'm still working on fixing everything. I'm not a mechanic shop, so, or exhaust technician, exhaust tech, whatever y'all want to call it. But we're gonna see if we can mess with somebody on the street too. So if we got these headers. Pops here is like echoing off of stuff. I ain't recording a little minute. That's why I wasn't recording though, because I was getting this ready for y'all. sunny out here. My seat too high, that would be it. Lower my seat down for y'all. So y'all can make sure y'all see everything. Okay. Okay, now we talking. Now we talking. Maybe I'll lower downshift. I just taunted that Mustang. It's so loud, like on the downshift. It's crazy. I knew I was gonna miss it. All right, come on. Come on. Taking all day. I can smell it. I can smell the fumes coming out the header because it's still smoking off. I'm gonna see if I could do it a little differently this time so y'all can see like how far I am away. But I don't want them to take my camera though, because people come down this road and end up snatching the camera off the road. All right, we back. Let's go ahead and pull out of here. My tire couldn't get out of here almost. I'm still spinning. Okay. Hopefully y'all like the flybys and stuff like that. It do feel like it got faster, but I ain't tuned it yet though. Thing popping, boy. Take y'all boys on the interstates. Okay, we getting on this way. Let me let y'all, hold on. Oh my, it did pop. It did pop. Let's get on that interstate, y'all boys. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? for these headers. We gotta get on exit 164. Let me put y'all back though, so I can see. Okay, we looking good. We looking good. I need to have my seat up for this. Y'all know what happened when the seat get up. I don't know if that the Grim Reaper back there, so I ain't even doing too much right now. I'ma roll it down on this side. We getting close to the exit though. Trying to miss my exit. I ain't doing too much though. I could have really had him. It's just that I kept slowing down. He's still going. Line up. Line up with me. Just line up. Just line up. Come on, just line up. Line up. Line up. Line up. Line up. It ain't that but a little RT to line up. Got off though.
Oh man!
But make sure y'all boy like, comment, subscribe. That'll be the end of this video, man. Charger just got off. I could have had him whole time, but yeah, make sure y'all boy like, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff, man. It's your boy Zell.
And I promise I am.